today ay December 6 and it's currently 5 something PM. Guys, nanaba ako, no? So, ang dami nagsasabi niyan. So, ayan, mag-upload tayo ng vlogmas. Sobra excited ako for this vlog. And talagang, ang dami kong gagawin ngayong December. And yung finals exam namin, kakapos lang namin mag-midterms, guys. Yung final exam namin would be on December 17 to 21, I guess. So, tingnan natin, guys, kung anong mangyayari. Ay, excited na ako sa magiging vlog na to. Sobrang tagal ko nang gusto mag-film uli, guys. Kaso, nag-college na tayo. So, nag-a-adjust pa tayo. And hindi ko alam kung paano to isisingit. But now, ayan, babawi ako sa inyo for the vlog mo. So, maganda nito. So, nandito ako ngayon sa bahay ng pinsan ko. And dito ako nag-film. Dito ako nag-start mag-film. So, ayan, update ko kayo, guys, kung anong mangyayari. Ayan yung area namin. Ayan yung bahay namin sa lola ko. And ayan, tas ito sa cousin ko. So, ayan. So, kita na yung Tagaytay dito, guys. Ayan. Pero ngayon, medyo cloudy doon. So, nahaharangan siya ng clouds. Pero pagka hapon na kasi, guys, kaya siguro ganun. So, ayan, kitang-kita yung Tagaytay dyan. Pero sadly, cloudy siya ngayon. Timing talaga. So, ayan. So today, ano na ba ngayon? So today ay December 14. It's currently 12:18 ng tanghali na, guys. And kakatapos lang namin, guys, sa seminar. So umatad kami ng seminar kanina morning. So ayan. Hindi naintindihan. Saan tayo? So ngayon nasa SM kami, guys, kasi we're looking for food. Gutom na kami, guys, talaga. Para
I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know that you're safe. You'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall.
Guys, ngayon, it's currently
finally po, makakakain na kami after so many years na napagdaanan namin.
And dito kami, guys, kumain sa Tonton Sisi. So, ano, sarap dito, guys. Kaso nga lang kanina, syempre, na-tempt pa kami kung kakain ba kami dito. Pero, since wala, puno na lahat talaga. So,
hindi mo alam kung ano.
Ayan. Hello. Ayan. So, ayan, sa kanila ay chicken na. Tapos ito aking pork. Tapos kay Nika chicken. Hey guys, so today is a Sunday, and today nanonood lang tayo ng game ng UP versus Lasal, game 3 na. So guys, hindi ako nakapanood ng game 1 and game 2, pero nag-notif sa akin na may game 3 ng Sunday 5 PM. So ayan, tinake advantage ko na, guys, na manood kasi wala naman akong ginagawa. And ayan, Sunday naman. So ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung game.
As the night goes on, I keep biting my tongue, saying I still haven't been to make this moment go round. I'll drink another drink, so I don't have to think anymore. I want to believe that I would take you home. Loving you isn't hard to do. I said loving you isn't hard to do.
Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and today is December 18. So it's currently 1:40 PM and nandito kami ngayon, guys, kay La Stephanie kasi, guys, galing kaming school. Ba't pa ako nakaganto? So galing kaming school, guys, kasi nagpa-clearance kami. Pero hindi pa kami tapos. So na-cut off siya. So balik na lang kami sa isang araw. So ayan. So, andyan sila, guys.
Girls that you, girls that you, baby.
So guys, wala pang Christmas, pero naka-receive na kami ng gift. Uy, pakita nyo! Ulat kami, guys! Thank you, Ate Rosette.
Thank you po, Ate Rosette. Thank you po. Hindi, tita ko rin. Perfume din yung pinigalo sa akin. So,
Pero ito yung pinaka-early na bigay ng Christmas na iba.
Iba na lang pa bang Thank you, Ate Rosette!
So today is our Christmas party, and right now nagbibihis na kami, guys, kasi COVID yung team namin this year. So this is my outfit. Yeah, mag-shoes, guys.
Christmas Day this year.